Hey guys, welcome to my channel and another video. In this video I am going to make a bullet journal for June. So for this month I decided to have some more flowers, and also because it's getting hot there and it's summer soon, so I wanted to mix it with some warm color and summer atmosphere. So for the first page I wanted to make a simple jar with some simple doodles of flowers that I didn't want to make some like complicated ones, and then all you have to do is to color them. So here I chose some light and warm colors, and also, as you know me, I like to use some cotton to blend the colors or make it like blur, because in this kind of drawings that I do like doodles with ink, but having some colors in it, I don't like the color to show a lot, just like a background color. So if you use cotton, it will help you a lot for that. second page I always prefer to have a little monthly view, and then like goals, occasions, anniversaries, and whatever that will happen in this month, and what you have to do, and your goals or expectations. So you write down all in one page, so when you open your bullet journal for that month, you can see what will happen then. I chose sunflowers and like yellow all over this page. By the way, just after taking this video and recording it, I noticed that I did a mistake in this page, that I didn't pay attention that I didn't have any Friday, or like 6 days in a week. So if you do such a mistake like me, don't ruin your page. I just use the sticky note and write all of them on it, and then simply glued it to my page, and it even looked better than before. So never worry if you do any mistake in your sketchbook, bullet journal, or whatever. You can always use your creativity to make it look even better. Well, for this page I didn't want the chart to be so much crowded with lot of lines, so I didn't do the between lines, like the vertical ones, so it keeps a bit simple, and then just do the sunflowers beside. For the mood tracker, I searched on internet and I saw some cool ideas that actually I love this one, and all you have to do is to draw a branch and then lots of little flowers that they are falling, so you have to number them and then you color as you move this every day. tracker, I always used to make some big page full of different habits that I wanted to track them, like I don't know, reading, studying, sport or whatever. And honestly talking, I went crazy about it, and I also got so nervous about, oh my god, I should do them every day. I don't know, like you have to do, else you feel so bad or guilty, even if some days you are just not in mood to do something. So this month I wanted to let it go a bit and keep it simple. But there were like 2 or 3 habits that I really wanted to track, and they were important for me, like some meditation that I really need these days, and like yoga. So for them I came up with the idea to do some like little flowers, not flowers really, but leaves that you just have to color them as you do. So you just have to do 2 or 3 of them in the same page, and believe me, it will look so good at the end. So here we come to my favorite page, because I'm a bookworm and I read lots of books, so it's really necessary for me to have such a page. But I recommend that if you have another hobby like that, you can change this page, but have such a page for your hobby or something you do, like watching a movie or like learning new recipes in a month, like you learn 2 different cakes or whatever, you can write down here. For me, I have a goal to read like 2 books in a month, so I can write down here about what was the name and the writer, or like whatever happens and how much I like this book, or how much stars does it get, and I can check them later anytime I want. And for the drawings, I just wanted to have a mix of like book and flowers. But for the flowers, I wanted to make it like wild ones, not really something you have in your flower pots in your balcony, but like jungle wild flowers. Finally, for the daily view, I divide them to weeks, and then a part empty for each day to write the task I want to do that day. Like if I want to post a video on YouTube, if I do some paintings or like some programming that I started to do, and also about how many glasses of water I drink every day. Cause guys, I'm not really motivated sometimes and I see that I don't drink enough. So here you can add some glasses icon so you can know how many glasses you drink every day. I didn't continue showing it on video, but just it goes as well to week 4 and like 29 and 30 days. for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed and liked it, and don't forget, tell me anything you want to see the next. And for seeing more ideas, just check out my other videos. Love you guys. See you soon.